Hello everyone, today we will be looking at how to convert your Wix website to a Shopify store. Step-by-step guide 2025. Transitioning your online store from Wix to Shopify can seem daunting at first, but it is a smart move for store owners looking to scale, integrate advanced e-commerce tools, and tap into a more robust and customizable platform. Shopify offers powerful features tailored specifically for e-commerce, which makes it an ideal choice if you are planning to grow your brand. In this comprehensive step-by-step guide 2025 edition, we will walk you through everything you need to know to migrate your Wix website to Shopify without losing valuable data, SEO rankings, or your brand's identity. Why move from Wix to Shopify? Before diving into the how, let's look at the why. Shopify advantages over Wix. Built for e-commerce, Shopify is purpose-built for online stores, whereas Wix is a general website builder. Advanced scalability. Shopify handles large inventories and higher traffic better. Payment gateways. More integrations and fewer restrictions. App ecosystem. Shopify offers thousands of specialized apps for marketing, fulfillment, and customer engagement. Abandoned cart recovery, multi-channel selling, POS integration, and more. If you're serious about growing your e-commerce business, Shopify is a better long-term investment. What you will need before starting. To ensure a smooth migration process, prerequisites. A live Wix website with product and customer data. A Shopify subscription. You can start with a 3-day free trial. Access to your domain registrar, especially if you bought your domain via Wix. A clear backup of all content just in case. Step 1. Plan your migration strategy. Define what to move. Start by listing all the data you'll be transferring. This typically includes products, collections or categories, customers, orders optional, blog content if applicable, images and media files, pages, about, fact, contact, tip, keep SEO and design consistency in mind. Note your best performing pages and keywords. Step 2. Set up your Shopify store. Sign up for Shopify. Go to shopify.com and start your free trial. Choose a theme. Pick a Shopify theme from the Shopify theme store. You can start with a free one like Dawn or explore premium options. Customize your store. Navigate to Online Store, Themes, and click Customize to adjust your homepage, layout, fonts, and colors to match your Wix site. Step 3. Export data from Wix. Unfortunately, Wix doesn't offer a one-click export to Shopify. You will need to export different elements manually or use third-party tools. Export products. Go to Wix dashboard, Store Products, click on Export CSV file. Save the file to your computer. Export customers. Go to Contacts, Customers. Click on Export Contacts. Export blog content. Copy-paste blog content manually or use RSS feed importers. Save images separately. Wix does not allow direct export of order history or some SEO data. For full migration, consider using apps or hiring a Shopify expert. Step 4. Import data into Shopify. Once your CSV are ready, it is time to move them into Shopify. Import products. Go to Shopify admin, Products. Click Import and upload your CSV. Match column headers. Shopify provides a CSV template if needed. Import customers. Go to Customers tab. Click Import Customers. Upload the exported CSV from Wix. Migrate blog content. Use Shopify's built-in blog editor. Under Online Store, Blog Post, or apps like Blog Feeder to automate RSS feed importing. If you face errors, Shopify will guide you on necessary CSV formatting adjustments. Step 5. Rebuild your pages and menus. Create essential pages. Rebuild key pages like About Us, Contact, Pack, Shipping, and Returns. Use Shopify's Page Builder. Under Online Store, Pages. Setup navigation. Go to online store. Navigation to create and organize menus. Main menu. Header. Footer menu. Link your new pages and collections. Step 6. Configure payment and shipping settings. Set up payments. Go to Settings. Payments. Enable Shopify payments or connect PayPal, Stripe, or other providers. Set up shipping. Go to Settings. Shipping and Delivery. Define shipping zones, rates, and options. Local pickup, flat rate, etc. Taxes and legal. Set tax rates by country or state under Settings, Taxes. Add legal pages, terms, privacy policy, refund policy under Settings, Legal. Step 7. Connect or transfer your domain. If your domain is with Wix, you can either Option 1. Transfer domain to Shopify. Go to Wix, Domains. Choose Transfer away from Wix and unlock your domain. Get the authorization code. In Shopify, go to Settings, Domains, Transfer Domain. Option 2. Point domain to Shopify. Keep domain with Wix or your registrar and change DNS settings. A record 23.227.38.65 Shopify's IP. CNAME shops.myshopify.com. Allow up to 48 hours for propagation. Step 8. Optimize SEO. Redirect old URLs. Use Shopify's URL redirect tool. Under Online Store, Navigation, URL redirects to set up 301 redirects from your old Wix URLs to the new Shopify ones. SEO best practices. Recreate page titles and meta descriptions. Use alt text for all images. Submit a new sitemap.xml to Google Search Console. Step 9. Test everything. Before going live, thoroughly test your store. Browse the site on desktop and mobile. Place test orders, test emails, and checkout flow. Ensure links and redirects work. Confirm tracking, Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel. Step 10. Launch and promote. Once you're confident, it is time to launch. Remove password protection under Online Store. Preferences. Announce your relaunch via email and social media. Offer promotions to encourage first purchases. In conclusion, migrating your website from Wix to Shopify is a significant step forward, building a more scalable, professional, and future-rich online store. While Wix is a great platform for beginners or small websites, Shopify is a purpose-built for e-commerce and offers far greater flexibility, powerful integrations, and tools to help your business grow. From managing large inventories and advanced analytics to providing seamless checkout experiences and marketing automation, Shopify positions your store for long-term success. Though the transition involves manual data handling, theme customization, and some SEO adjustments, following a structured, step-by-step process ensures minimal disruption. By properly exporting your product and customer data, recreating key content, and implementing URL redirects, you will preserve your store's functionality and SEO rankings. Additionally, Shopify's support ecosystem, including apps, expert services, and documentation, makes the platform accessible even for non-technical users. Ultimately, switching to Shopify isn't just a migration, it is an upgrade. With the right preparation and attention to detail, your new Shopify store will not only mirror your Wix site's best elements but also elevate the user experience, boost conversions, and support your business goals in 2025 and beyond. Now is the perfect time to make the move and unlock your store's full potential. And that is all there is on how to convert your Wix website to a Shopify store. Step-by-step guide in 2025. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video. Hey, before we leave, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Bye for now.